Hi everyone, this is Kevin Vlogs. If you're after based in YouTube Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa ng reaction video ang Don Bell compilation. So I won't say it no longer, let's start this reaction video. Pero this time, dito muna tayo manonood sa, what do you call this, sa Facebook. Okay, hindi muna tayo sa TikTok kasi parang pumapahid ako ng katid ko Hindi muna tayo sa TikTok kasi parang naubos na natin doon. So without further ado, let's start this.
Ay, taken. Taken ko. Mine po kay Bell. Ay, taken ko din.
Ay, sana all.
Donnie, ay, taken.
Parang pahiwatig na yan,
Taken
ma'am.
ko.
Parang pahiwatig na yan, ma'am. Ay, ano to? Ano naman yung mga chismis dito sa Facebook? Ang daming chismis sa Facebook, Ay, ito talaga ang taken for today's video. Ay, saan si Bell? Team Bell, Team Don Bell and Team tayo sa wakas. Saan sila nagpunta? Nagbakasyon agad sila, Mel? Bakasyon agad yun? Ay, saan to? Will forever be a fan, Don Bell's height difference cutie. Actually to. Ako din, fan ako ng kanilang, height for today's video. Pero bakit parang walang reels for today's video? Don Bell, wait. Don Bell briefing Direcati from Arcisco and Cheska. Okay. Ito. Ay, ano to?
Ito po.
Asan si Don
Papaano
dyan?
niyo po malalaman na kailangan niyo na kung tanggapin yung wakas?
Ay. Grabe naman yung tanong. Ay, tapos na yun.
4 projects together.
Yan,
Papaano niyo?
diba? Ay, ito talaga yung gusto ko May mga palay
Can we?
Saan sila ngayon? Can someone comment ng video? Saan sila nag-live? Mas ko excited ako sa TikTok. Feeling ko maraming chismis sa TikTok.
Direct ko naman, direct.
Direct. Can we?
Na ano tuloy ako? Nakinis ako sa TikTok. Kasi for sure marami sa TikTok Ay, hello ladies and gentlemen. Bel Mariano. Grabe si Bel. Grabe, dikit na dikit talaga sila ni Donnie. Totoo ba yan? Ayan na. Chatis! Yan ang sinasabi ko for today's video. Saan dalahin? Ay. Hindi talaga bumibitaw si Belle sa bisig ni Donnie. Hello? Sa kanya lahat yan Ano magagawa natin kung sa kanya lahat yan? Di ba? Kung ayaw niyong bumitaw, wala talaga tayong magagawa. Sa kanya lahat. Charis! Gina G. Kung ayaw niyong bumitaw, wala tayong magagawa. Sa kanya lahat yan. Di ba? Ay, Purple Rain. Oo. Oo, ang dami na nga nila talagang Metro. Alam mo, full of substance talaga sila magsalita. Alam mo yon, very kakamping. Hoy, magboto kayo ng tama. Di ba? Maawa naman kayo. Ay, grabe couple. Ito pala yung ano nila, prenup na interview. Ito pala yung prenup nila.
Metro. We actually spoke about it that we changed our IG icon
Yeah, to that
to get to that one.
Tama.
Yeah, it was very memorable since it was my first cover pa with him and ang ganda talaga, couch lang, chill lang. Pero
Naalala ko
ang
pa yung
ganda.
post natin nun Yung sa akin ganyan Kaya nyo dito ganyan
It really became memorable because I remember we spoke
We both
about
changed
it.
our profile photo.
We changed our icon. I've been open about this and I told him naman na nung una medyo intimidating nga siya. Ibang-iba yung first impression ko sa kanya. Kasi syempre takot ako nung una. Sabi ko, paano ko kakausapin to? Hindi ko alam paano mag-warm up. Obviously, we're working so we have to be comfortable with each other. But it really was so easy to get comfortable with him. And now I consider him as one of my closest friends talaga.
Yeah. Yun din siguro, hindi ko alam kung ano i-expect ko. Whenever you meet someone for the first time,
Huwag kayo.
you kind of want to remove all your
Huwag kami.
assumptions. But then the first time kasi we met, well,
Baliktad.
Yeah,
Parang mahiyain.
Siya yung sobrang shy. Siya yung hindi
Quiet.
nakikipag-usap. So, hindi ko alam kung ganun lang talaga siya or ayaw niya. But then, when we really saw each other
Gusto niya
sa
yan.
look test naman, yung unang screen test natin, I saw that there would really be a chance that this could work in terms of kung paano kami sa set, if there's possible chemistry to happen. I don't know if safe is the word kasi hindi pa tayo close, pero I felt like I was ready to just do this completely new
Bakit
phase,
ang talino nila?
you know, alongside you.
And what's so nice is when we started yun na talking, there was ilang at first, pero when we started, parang it felt so familiar. I feel like I've known him for so long.
Yeah, I just had to get to a point na we both agreed within ourselves na, we have to get to know each other, you know, and at the start it was really weird because my character is the type of guy who doesn't get to know people and he's so yabang sa una. Pero marami din siyang bubog, di ba, si Dave. So I would actually kind of set myself apart from people during that time para lang ma-feel ko na ako si Dave Lore. Pero sa loob, ang dami ko na yung pinanggagalingan, di ba?
With us kasi I feel like it was a mutual effort.
And it was a fun show to start. Ang dami naming ka-age. All of us was a really young set. So whenever we'd be there, it would be a lot of play, but at the same time work. And first time din namin to work with Direk Chad, who also was doing his first project. So all of us were just doing this whole new thing together, which is why I think it was really fun. Because it was like a first for everyone.
Parang lahat naman may challenges. I feel like the greatest challenge now, which I'm very proud to say because I know that he's doing really well, is Cisco, the one he's doing now.
Siyempre si Cheska din eh, kasi
Yeah.
sobrang... We will always say this because this is really our most emotional project. But sige, besides tayo sa wakas, since hindi pa nila nakita,
Uno,
baka no.
tapos colorblind.
Pasiling, si Caroline din. Kasi syempre, from a different world, supposedly, diba? And he's like the black sheep of the family. Those type of dynamics are always hard and stuff.
Plus, Caroline has a facade
Yeah.
that is very hard to tap in.
May
So hard to
filter siya
break
eh.
through, yeah.
Sobrang supportive lang niya. Like, she's the type of person
Ang ganda ng kulay ni
who will
Donnie.
root for you,
Nagbibilan talaga
cheer
sila
you
ni Bella.
on.
I
Bad
swear.
days, good days. Nagpapalakpak sa'yo all the time. Siyempre, kahit alam mong may mga bubog din siya, pero hindi niya masyado pinapakita as long as you guys are in a great place and very selfless.
Cisco is a very human character. I really saw his vulnerabilities. Ang ganda nung ganun kasi it makes Cheska wants to take care of it. May sense of direction si Cisco, which Cheska wants to be part of.
May
Oh,
mga
man,
ganun ka
okay,
talaga
that's
sense of
good.
direction
I
ka
don't wanna
talaga
share too
nalalaman si
much,
Bella.
but-
Ang
We
gigigil
can
ako.
say that we tried. Like,
Mukhang
grabe
hindi talaga
talaga.
ako
Ang ganda
yan.
ng
Dami
story
talagang
and
alam.
it's
Pwede
really
rin siya
deserving, I would
mag-Japan.
say, of
Charis.
our decision of following our individuality first, facing our individuality.
Following
It speaks so much
individuality.
volume and it's so nice because it's so relatable and it's a story that would break your heart or would want you to fall in love.
Feeling ko every
Diba?
part
Iba
of the
talaga
script,
ang atake.
there will be a person who can relate to that specific
Okay.
moment in their life. That's why we really appreciated it. Kasi it really speaks volumes to everyone. So everyone goes through love. Everyone has that point where you want to know if you're still growing as an individual, growing together. If
Alam mo,
there
excited
are
ako sa TikTok na to eh. Iputulin muna natin ha, kasi mahirap mag-edit pag mahaba. This is Kiko Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!